Hello, hi guys. You are welcome back to today's cryptocurrency analysis, and today we want to uh, be looking at YFI, right? And I would be telling you what are my 2023 price predictions for YFI. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the video, right? It's your guy here, the altcoin doctor here, bringing you the latest analysis, price predictions, and trades on your favorite coin. So if you like the channel, please do not forget to click on the like button, click on the subscribe button, and without further ado, let us move to the chart, right? So today we want to be looking at what is the 2023 price predictions even for YFI. So we are on the chart even for YFI versus the USD Theta. Take note, this is not the price prediction for 2024 stroke 2025, right? This is just the 2023 price predictions, right? We have done a video for the 2024 stroke 2025 price predictions even for YFI right on the channel, so you can check that. Yes, we know a bull run is coming, and so we have done a bull run price prediction on the channel, so you can check that. But this is just the price predictions for this year, as we still have 6 months more to the end of the year, and we want to see what is the price we should be expecting, at least minimum, for YFI for this year. And so we would be using the Fibonacci price prediction tool even to see what we should be expecting even for YFI, even for this year, right? And so we would be drawing that from the top to the bottom of this year for YFI. This is the bottom for this year, and our figures are in. So we have two levels which we should be expecting for YFI, right? Which is the 1.618, right, and the 2.618, right? So these are the prices we should be expecting for YFI for this year of 2023, right? And so first, we should be expecting the price of 15,183, which is the 1.618 right there for YFI. And the second price is the 2.618, which is the 21,422, right? So for 2023, from our current price targets, we should be expecting a minimum, right, of about 139% for the price of YFI in the coming few months. So this is the minimum we are expecting for YFI, and so we should be expecting at least a minimum of 139%, which will see the price of YFI at the 15,183 level. We could still go higher, right down to the 21,000 level. It's very, very possible, but this is the minimum we are expecting, right, for the year 2023. We could see higher price target in 2024 and 2025. We have done a video about that, so it's linked in the comment section, so you could check that, right? Thank you for watching and have a blessed day.